Hi children, good afternoon all of you. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Stay home, stay safe. I am Virajni Kuwari, CRT Mathematics, Polaki KZBV, Srikakulam district. Okay children, in previous session I told more topics about sets. Okay. So in previous session what we discussed, basic operations on sets and exercise 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3 is over. Now today I told some more topics on sets. So welcome to our new session. So this is the last session for sets chapter. So listen carefully children. It is very important chapter to gain more marks in the public. So listen carefully and welcome to our new session. In this session, I, I, I will tell the finite and infinite sets and cardinal number of sets and exercise 2.4. So listen carefully and note down what I teach. Okay children? So see, first topic is finite and infinite sets. What is a finite set? If you see, a set is said to be finite if it can be found that both starting and ending elements in the set, that is, the elements of the finite set is countable. We can express the number of elements in finite set. If you observe what is the definition, a set is said to be finite. ఇప్పుడు finite అంటే if it can be found that both starting and ending elements in the set. So in the set there is both ending and starting elements present in the set. So that set is called finite set. If you observe examples, okay, R is equal to set of natural numbers less than 100. So if you write the roster form, how can you write? So R is equal to set of starting from 1. So 1, 2, 3, so on, ending with the 100. So you easily count the numbers in the set R. So it is a finite set. Then next one, A is equal to set of whole numbers between 5 and 45. So all of you know what are the whole numbers. So whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So in that whole numbers, what is the condition? It is starting from 5 and ending 45. So how can you write the set A roster form? That is starting from 5. So A is equal to set of 5, 6, 7, 8, so on 45. So you count, if you count the numbers from 5 to 45, you can easily count. Okay children? Next one, if you observe M set, M is equal to set of all persons in India. So how can you write the roster form is this set? So we can write the all persons of in India. It is a finite set. You can easily write and count the persons in India. Okay. Next one, S is equal to set of all students in a class. Okay children, we can easily write the students in the class or not? Yes, we can write the all the students in a class. If you take your class, మీ క్లాస్లో తీసుకుంటే మీ క్లాస్లో ఉన్న చిల్డ్రన్స్ అన్నిటి అందరికీ కలిపి ఒక సెట్గా రాయగలమా లేదా రోస్టర్ ఫామ్లో? సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫైనైట్ సెట్ బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కౌంటబుల్. So understand children? So our next concept, infinite set. So what is an infinite set? A set is said to be infinite if it is not possible to find either starting or ending or both the elements. That is, the elements of the infinite set is uncountable. So we cannot express the number of elements in finite set. Okay. If you observe the definition, it is purely opposite to the finite set. So in the infinite set there is no either starting or ending elements. We cannot find either starting or ending elements, and we cannot count also. So if you observe first example, R is equal to set of all natural numbers. So all of you know how many natural numbers are there. If you write the roster form of natural numbers, so R is equal to set of, it is a starting point, starting element is there, okay, that is 1. But ending element, we cannot decide the ending element because there is so many infinity natural numbers are there. So R is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. It is a set. So it is, we cannot count the natural numbers. So it is an infinite set. Next example, A is equal to set of all multiples of 15. Means, what is the roster form of multiples of 15? So it is starting from 15 ones are 15. So 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. So on. It is also infinite set because we cannot count the elements of in the set. Next, M is equal to set of all straight lines passing through a point. All of you know in the previous class, 9th class, we learnt that how many lines passing through a point. Okay, so this answer is so many lines. So already you know straight lines are passing through a point is so infinity. So it is also uncountable. So M is a set of infinite set. Okay. Next one, S is equal to set of all integers less than 3. All of you know how many integers less than 3? You know how many integers are there less than 3? There are so many integers. 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, infinity. So it is also a uncountable set. So next one, null set is a finite set. All of you know null set, there is no elements. So the condition of the null set is finite set. So next one, cardinal number of a finite set. So what is the cardinal number of a finite set? We can only find out the cardinal number of a finite set only, because in the finite set we count the elements, number of elements. In the infinite set we cannot count the number of elements. So what is the cardinal number of a finite set? Means the number of elements in a set is called the cardinal number of the set. Okay, the number of elements in a set is called the cardinal number of set. So how many elements present in the set is called the cardinal number of set. Okay, we denote the cardinal number of a set by number of A or cardinal of A. So if you take one example, so R is equal to set of A comma B comma C comma D. So how many elements in the set? There is 4 elements in the set. So cardinal number of R is equal to 4. So next one, A is equal to set of vowels in our English alphabet. How many vowels in the English alphabet? There is 5 vowels, that is A comma E comma I comma O comma U. So what is the cardinal number of A? That is 5. Next one, M is equal to set of letters of the word may. How many words in that? So how many letters in the word may? There is more 3 letters, that is M, A and Y. So cardinal number of M is equal to how many? 3. How much? 3. Next, S is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, 98, 99. If you count the numbers, how many numbers in the set? Yes, there is 99 numbers. So if you count from 1 to 99, so there are 99. Next, cardinal number of null set is, so there is no elements in the null set, so cardinal number of pi is equal to 0. Next, do this. Next one, do this. So first question is, which of the following are empty sets? Justify your answer. So first one, a set of integers which lie between 2 and 3. So 2 ki 3 ki మధ్యలో ఉన్న integers చెప్పాలి. So there are any integers between 2 and 3? No, because integers are numbers. There is no decimal numbers in this, or there is no rational numbers in between any two integers. So we cannot find out the integers between 2 and 3. So it is a empty set because there is no integer exists between 2 and 3. Next question is set of natural numbers that are smaller than 1. సో 1 కంటే తక్కువైన నేచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఏవైనా ఉంటాయా? నో, బికాజ్ నేచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 1. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నేచురల్ నెంబర్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఏ empty set because there is no natural number smaller than 1. Next question is set of odd numbers that leave remainder 0 when divided by 2. So what is odd numbers? If we divide with 2, the remainder is always 1. That is called odd numbers. But it is what he told, set of odd numbers that leave remainder 0 when divided by 2. సో ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే 2తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి రిమైండర్ 1 వస్తే వాటి ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటారు, రిమైండర్ 0 వస్తే వాటి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అంటారు. సో దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ సో ఇందులో మనకి ఈ సెట్లో రాస్టర్ ఫామ్ రాస్తే ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా ఉండవు. సో గివెన్ సెట్ ఈజ్ ఎన్ ఎంప్టీ సెట్ బికాస్ దేర్ ఈజ్ నో ఆడ్ నెంబర్ విచ్ లీవ్స్ రిమైండర్ 0 when divided by 2. 2తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏది కూడా రిమైండర్ 0 రాదు. నెక్స్ట్ డూ దిస్. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, స్టేట్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ సెట్స్ ఆర్ ఫైనైట్ అండ్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్. గివ్ రీజన్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ టేక్ first question. So A is equal to set of x such that x belongs to n and x less than 100. సో క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమడిగాడు, ఏవి ఫైనైట్ సెట్స్ ఏవి ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సెట్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ and finding the roster form of the set, what is the roster form? A is equal to set of x such that x belongs to n. nకి చెందాలి అంటే నేచురల్ నెంబర్ సెట్ అండ్ లెస్ దాన్ 100, 100 కంటే తక్కువ ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ ఏంటమ్మా. సో A is equal to set of 1 2 3 so on 99. సో it is a countable or not? It is starting from 1 and ending with the 99. So it is, if this set is countable, so this is a finite set. Next, B is equal to set of x such that x belongs to n and x less than or equal to 5. That means what is the condition? X a natural number and x is less than or equal to 5. So if we write the roster form of this set, B is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5. So there is 5 elements in the set. Starting element is there and ending element is there. So this set is called finite set. Next, C set. C is equal to set of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on. So if you observe, we can easily write that this is a finite set or infinite set. So in the finite set there is so on, sign is no. సో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఫైనైట్ సెట్లో సో ఆన్ అని ఉండదన్నమాట, ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనేవి ఎండింగ్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఇక్కడ ఎండింగ్ లేదు కాబట్టి given set is infinite set because we cannot countable the elements, we cannot countable అన్నమాట. సో ఇందులోని ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయంటే మనం చెప్పలేము. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఇన్ఫినిట్ సెట్. నెక్స్ట్ D set. D is equal to set of 1 2 3 4. సో given set is a finite set because we can count the number of elements in this set. So D is equal to 1 2 3 4. So how many elements is there? 4 elements. So this is a finite set. Next, x such that x is a day of the week. So how many days in the week? All of you know there is 7 days. So what is the days? If you write the roster form, Monday, this set is set of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So we can count the days in a week. So it is a finite set. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, write down. Next, tick the set which is infinite. Do this. So if you observe, there is 4 options. So which option is infinite set? You can tick. Okay, first one is the set of whole numbers less than 10. So how many whole numbers less than 10? All of you know whole numbers. It is starting from 0. And what is the condition? It is less than 10. Means what is the set? So this is the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is countable or not? Countable. So this is a finite set. So this is not a infinite set. సో ఇందులో ఎలిమెంట్స్ మనం 1 నుంచి 0 నుంచి 9 వరకు రాయగలం. సో ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనేవి కౌంట్ చేయగలం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫైనైట్ సెట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ ఇన్ఫినిట్ సెట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద సెట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ లెస్ దెన్ 10. సో 10 కంటే తక్కువైన ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ చెప్పండి. What is the prime numbers? It is starting from 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is also countable set. So it is a finite set. Next, the set of integers less than 10. So 10 కంటే తక్కువైన ఇంటీజర్స్ ఏముంటాయి? You cannot count it. Okay, all of you know how many integers, what is the integer set? So all of you know how many integers in the set less than 10. It is infinite, okay, uncountable. ఎందుకంటే ఇంటీజర్స్ మనకి 10 కంటే తక్కువైనవి చాలా నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి ఇంటీజర్స్ సెట్లో. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 10. 10 యొక్క ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూనిట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫైనైట్ సెట్. నెక్స్ట్ ట్రై దిస్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ సెట్స్ ఆర్ ఎంప్టీ సెట్స్? జస్టిఫై యువర్ ఆన్సర్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ A is equal to set of x such that x square is equal to 4 and 3x is equal to 9. If you observe the condition, what is the condition? X square is equal to 4 and 3x is equal to 9. So ఈ టూ కండిషన్స్ సాటిస్ఫై చేసే x వాల్యూస్ ఏమైనా ఉంటాయి. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ x ప్లేస్ 1 square is equal to not equal to 4. The same condition apply in the 3x is equal to 9. 3 into 1 not is equal to 9. If you take x is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. Yes, it is applied. But if you take the same x is equal to and 3x is equal to 9, so 3 into 2, how much? 6. 6 not equal to 9. If you take another 3, another 4, if you take any number, the number is not satisfying the both condition. So there is no element. So రెండు కండిషన్స్ సాటిస్ఫై చేసే నెంబర్ అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఉండదు. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ empty set. So if you write the roster form is this set, there is no elements in the set. So given set is a empty set because there is no possible solution for x satisfying both the equations. Next one, the set of all triangles in a plane having the sum of their three angles less than 180. So all of you know and all of your teachers told in previous classes, what is the sum of the angles in the three angles in a triangle? All of you know it is a universal truth. How much? It is a 180 degrees. So all of you know the condition of the angles, three angles in a triangle. So the sum of the three angles in a triangle is a always 180 degrees. So that is never less than 180 degrees. ఎప్పుడు కూడా less than 180 అవ్వదు. సో గివెన్ సెట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఎంప్టీ సెట్. సో అలా అయ్యే విధంగా ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉండవు. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఎంప్టీ సెట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ go to exercise 2.4. So in this exercise 2.4, first question, what is the first question? State which of the following sets are empty and which are not. So if you observe first set, the set of lines passing through a given point. So all of you know how many lines are passing through a given point. ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకుంటే అందులో ఎన్ని లైన్స్ మనం దాని గుండా గీయగలం? It is so many lines, infinite lines. So in this if you write the set, it is infinite set. So in infinite set there is so many elements. So that is not a empty set. Next one, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So 2 తో డివిజిబుల్ అయ్యే ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటాయా? నో. ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అనేవి 2 తో అసలు డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వవు. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్. సో దేర్ ఈస్ నో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఎంప్టీ సెట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఎక్స్ సచ్ దట్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ నేచురల్ నెంబర్ and x less than 5 and x greater than 7. So if you observe the condition, x కంటే తక్కువైన less than 5 నెంబర్ అండ్ x greater than 7 నెంబర్, నేచురల్ నెంబర్, ఈజ్ దేర్ ఎనీ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ దేర్? నో. సో నేచురల్ నెంబర్ x కంటే 5 కంటే తక్కువైంది, 7 కంటే ఎక్కువైన నెంబర్ ఏమీ ఉండదు. సో if you write the roster form of this set, there is no elements in the set. So this is also empty set. Next one is x such that x is a common point to any two parallel lines. Parallel lines means they are not touching or not intersect to each one. So all of you know parallel lines are never intersect to each other. So there is no common point to any two parallel lines. So there is no elements in this set. So this is also an empty set. Next one is set of even prime numbers. So set of even prime numbers. So there is a one element even prime number, that is 2. All of you know what is the even prime number, that is 2. So if you write the roster form of this set, there is one element in the set. So this is not a empty set. So this is a non-empty set. So next question in exercise 2.4, the last question is, so next state whether the following sets are finite or infinite. Same. First question, the set of months in a year. All of you know how many months in a year. We can count or not. We can easily count. That is January, February, March, April, so on December. So there are 12 months in a year. So we can count the months in a year. So it is a finite set or not? Finite set. Next question, if you observe the question, you can easily find out it is a finite set or infinite set. There is a starting element, there is a ending element. So we can easily find out this is a finite set or not. Yes, it is a finite set. Next one, the set of prime numbers smaller than 99. If we write the smaller than 99 prime numbers, so it is starting from 2. Prime numbers are starting from 2. And what is the smaller number, smaller prime numbers smaller than 99? That is 97. So from 2 to 97 we can write the number of elements in the set. So we can easily write the set, number of elements in the set. We can count the elements in the set. So it is a finite set. So మనం రాయగలం ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ని 2 నుంచి less than 99, 97 వరకు కూడా నెంబర్స్ అన్ని కౌంట్ చేయగలం. దాన్ని ఫైనట్ సెట్ రూపంలో రాయగలం. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఫైనట్ సెట్. నెక్స్ట్ దట్స్ అ సెట్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ దట్ క్యాన్ బి డ్రాన్ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్ టు ద x axis. So if you take x-axis and draw parallel lines to the x-axis, how many lines we can draw? There are so many lines we can draw. So if you take any line and draw the parallel lines to any line is infinite. All of you know in the previous class. Okay, so ఒక లైన్కి ప్యారల్గా ఉండే లైన్స్ ఎన్నైనా మనం డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఫైనట్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఫినైట్? It is. If you write the set, there are so many elements. So it is a infinite set. So we cannot count the number of elements in the set. So it is a infinite set. Next one is the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. So multiples of 5, how many we can write? There is also so many. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, so on మనం right. So it is also a infinite set. So multiples of 5 is so many. If you write the elements are present, how many elements are present in the set is so many, infinite. So it is a infinite set. Next question is the set of circles passing through the origin 0 0. So if you draw the set of circles passing through the horizon, okay, if you take the initial point is 0 0 0 0 గా ఇనిషియల్ పాయింట్ తీసుకొని సర్కిల్స్ మనం డ్రా చేస్తే డిఫరెంట్ రేడియస్తో డ్రా చేస్తే there are so many circles passing through the horizon 0 0. So this is also a infinite set. So we cannot count the elements in this set. So children, take care yourself, and this is the end for the chapter 2 sets. If there is I hope you all of you understood, and if there is any doubts, we clarify in the next session, and I hope you all are understood, and all the best for your future. Okay children, bye. I am very thankful to you, state officers and visit officers and our GCDO Madam Garu, giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you, madams and sirs. Bye, children. Take care.